Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to sign out your PlayStation account with all devices. So to start, just go to your Google browser and type in playstation.com. So as you can see, I have already logged in my account. So let's just go to my profile and then go to account settings, and then here let's just scroll down and look for the device management. So here on device management, you'll see all the consoles that you have logged in your PlayStation account. Let's just tap on the PlayStation consoles option. So as you can see, I haven't logged in my account to any consoles. But if you have logged in your account in any consoles, you're supposed to see it here. And here you'll be able to log out or delete the device or the consoles that you have logged in your PlayStation account. But once you deleted it, you'll have to sign in again on the console that you're using. So that's how you sign out your PlayStation account with all devices. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.